Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Napoleon, the Accent. This is the B36 model. Now they do have the Accent available in linear versions as well, but this is going to be just a standard square. Now this is a clean face model, so it is going to be more contemporary. As mentioned in other videos, as of 2015, all gas stoves must either have a fire screen located on the front of the unit, or it has to be a triple pane glass. So Napoleon does have the Luxuria series, which does have the triple pane glass, but it is in a much higher price point. I do think though that Napoleon does a nice job with the safety screen. It doesn't really kind of block your fire view. You do have various options available for your interior. This is going to be shown with the reflective panels, so you can notice that you can see the flame just kind of dancing off the rear and off the sides of the unit. If that's a little too contemporary, you do have various other firebox options as well. So again, this is the B36 by Napoleon. This is a zero clearance gas fireplace, which means it is designed to be built directly into the wall. You'll notice this is framed in with a nice wood mantle here. So as long as you're installing it and maintaining your required clearances by the manufacturer, you are good to go. So I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. God bless. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.